In this video, we will show you how to download the premium version of SSL Zen plugin and upload it to your website. When you complete the payment, you will receive an email from us asking you to activate the plugin on your website. Click on that link to open your website in a new page. Enter your WordPress username and password to log into your website. At the top, you will see a message asking you to download the latest version of the plugin. Click on it and wait till the file downloads on your computer. After that, hover on Plugins menu item and click on Add New. Right beside Add Plugins, you will see a button called Upload Plugin. Click on that. You will be presented with a Choose File button. Click on it and navigate to the SSL Zen Premium zip file you just downloaded, or drag the zip file on Choose File as shown in the video. Click on the Install Now button. WordPress will now upload the zip file to your website. Once the plugin is uploaded, click on Activate Plugin button. You will be redirected to the Plugins page. Please click on the Activate button again. The plugin will take you to the System Requirements page, where we check if our plugin is compatible with your website, and if it is, redirect you to Step 1. On Step 1, the plugin will display the website URL as well as the IP address of your website. Click on the Next button. On Step 2, we display instructions to point your website's IP address to StackPath's IP address to route all the traffic through their global network of servers. It helps StackPath to speed up your website, generate and install an SSL certificate, as well as protect your websites from threats and attacks. If you are not sure how to change your website IP address, please read the instructions on the right-hand side. If you click on Video Tutorial link, StackPath will show you a list of domain registrars and specific instructions for them on how to change your website a record. You can also send an email to your domain company asking them to change your website a record for @ to 151.139.128.10. Our domain registrar is GoDaddy, so I will go to the domain settings page and change my website a record for @ to 151.139.128.10. DNS propagation takes anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, so please be patient. To check whether the DNS change was successful, go back to SSL Zen and click on Scan DNS button. If the DNS change was successful, you will see a message saying you have successfully added your website to StackPath. Click on the Next button. On Step 3, we generate and install the SSL certificate. You are not required to take any action. Wait for the plugin to complete the step and go to the next step. Again, this might take a minute, so please be patient. Finally, on Step 4, we add a code snippet to your wp-config.php file to enable administration over SSL, as well as try and fix any insecure content warning. Click on the Next button. In some cases, your website might not load right away, as your internet service provider might not have the updated DNS records for your website. There's nothing to worry about. Wait for a couple of minutes, clear your browser cache, and try opening your website in a new incognito mode. Thank you for watching the video and giving SSL Zen a try.